11. Things are going to be turned into your favor. People that were against you all of a sudden will be for you. Ideas, creativity, promotion, contracts are going to come into your hands. Type 11 if you agree. The universe is saying to you, everything you are facing today is not the end of the story. It is just a stepping stone to the next level. You are not just going through it, you are growing through it. And that is the key perspective that will give you willpower to endure it all. Type yes if you believe. Vibe of the day. I am sending love to all the people in need. I pray for the ones who are less fortunate. I am grateful for the life I have been blessed with. My heart is with the collective global awakening. I believe in humanity. I choose love over fear. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe God's Manifesto 11:11. Thank you.